Hi everyone, Car Spark 2.0 here, and welcome back to another racing video. We're back with another around the world tournament with my new Rimac and Nevera I have right here. Yeah, it's going against 20 cars from different parts of the world, and we're gonna see which one the Rimac can beat, or will the other cars have to get beat in the Rimac. Well, time to get started with the Germany side, and we'll start this race with the Mercedes A-Class. Okay, here we go. First race. Wow, close race. That Rimac has just beaten the Mercedes. Well, the Mercedes is going to lose this part. All right, the next one we have the 935 on 2018. Our track focus. His car. Whoa, almost fell there. Alright, here we go. Porsche. The 935. And he takes that way and he'll go right over there. The next one, we had the Volkswagen and Beetle Hill pickup. Alright, we're gonna see what that Volkswagen will do against the Rimac. Here we go. The Volkswagen in a very close race. Hey, okay, that takes a team around the world on the lead. Alright, the next one we have a Rimac edition. The Andre GTR Rimac edition. Now, you know, all Rimac editions came in this color. And are only exclusive at Walmart. So yeah, it's a rare chance though. Here we go. Wow, another close race. But it's the Rimac. We're tied again. Next one now. The Britain is up next. And the Velar is up next. And what's happening? Our only SUV. Only this race. Alright, here we go. Velar! Okay then. Team around the world is in the lead again. Next one, we have the Lotus Nevera. Now, we're gonna see what the Nevera will do. Let's guess the Rimac. Here we go. Well, that Rimac takes the win. We're tied again. Wow, this is a good race we had so far. Alright, next one we have the Aston Martin V12 Speedster. Only 88 of these ever made for the entire world. We're gonna see what the Rimac will do against that Aston. Here we go. Aston Martin! 10 around the world, he's back in the lead again. Excuse me. Next one is the kind of Super Sports by Bentley. Alright, we're gonna see what this Bentley will do. Here we go. Bentley! Okay, so Super Sport is actually extending the lead. A 14 around the world. Now let's take it with the British side onto our Italian side with the Ferrari F355 Spider. Alright, here we go. Wow, another close race. The Ferrari got a little head start, but the Rimac came back. Out there. Alright, the next one is the Lamborghini Aventador J. Rumor has it there's only just 2 ever made for the entire world. So yeah, they're very rare. Alright, we're gonna see what the Lambo will do against the Rimac. Here we go. Well, that Rimac easily beat the Lambo. And so yeah, we're tied again. Alright, Alfa Romeo Giulia Quattrofoglio is up next. So, we're gonna see what the Alpha will do. Well, that Rimac technically beat that Alpha. So now, the Rimac has taken the lead. Alright, it's our little car, the Fiat 500. And you see it from this one is from Hot Wheels Unleashed. Got this little hatchback in front of the game. And Rimac beats that one, extending his lead. Alright, next one. Now we're in the Japanese side with the Mazda NX X30. It's an all-electric SUV. So, we're gonna see what this electric SUV will do. And the Mazda took the win. So, that's me, another SUV. Not just like Range Rover. No. Okay, the next one is the R35 GTR. From Nissan. Alright, here we go. GTR and around the world tournament a tie again. We're tied again. Alright. We have 6 cars left. The next one is the Subaru WRX STI. Okay, another hatchback. Just like the 500 I raced earlier. Subaru in a very close race. Around the world team back in the lead. Next one is the Honda Prelude with its own Japanese license plate. So we're gonna see what the Prelude will do against the Rimac. Alright, and look like the Rimac takes the win. And we're tied again. This is a very close race, you guys. Alright, next one, we have an old school Ford up next. The 1930 and 1928 Ford Model A. So, we're gonna see what an old school Hot Wheels car will do again. The latest Hot Wheels car. Who knew that an old Ford would beat the Rimac? Team around the roads back in the lead again. And that's why it's the 57 Bel Air. Chevrolet. Or just call it Chevrolet. That's what I used to call it. The Bel Air takes the win. Team USA is back on track. Actually, Team Around the World is back on track. Alright, the next one with 69 Dodge Charger Daytona. So, we're gonna see what this Dodge will do against the Rimac. And it looks like the Rimac took the win. Oh, there. Alright, last car is the Bugatti Veyron. So, this is the final race, you guys. So far, Team Around the World had a lead. So far. Oh, we'll have to see what happened here. And model the Rimac tie set. So that thing just about his end. This one is as a tie, but I can't allow tie. Right there, so that thing will shoot in my car. Over here. And from my collection. And I know just what to use. Oh, you are my world champion Ferrari 360 on this one. And I guess a new Rimac. Here we go. Alright, well, here's the 360. It beats the Nevera, and look, for that, team around the world wins the tournament. Well, good job for that, Rimac. It had quite a tough tournament here. Check out how they did. Beat those other cars, but 10 cars actually beat the Rivera, especially my Ferrari. Alright, you guys, that's it. Now the video is done. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. The next video is a review of my DB11. So, see you guys in that one. Bye bye.